Greetings. Today's topic is Jamaica should be in the top 40 most visited countries in the world. At the moment, we are not in the top 50. Why is this? We will be discussing the above topic in today's presentation. Please support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing today's video. Also, feel free to take part with any questions and answers or discussions below. Today's subject matter is 1. Could Jamaica be in the top 40 most visited countries in the world? 2. Why is the number of people doing online searches for vacationing in Jamaica does not reflect the amount of people visiting Jamaica? And 3. Should the government be promoting ecotourism in rural Jamaica? And 4, last, does the citizens of the rural parishes of the South Coast deserve a slice of the tourism dollar? Now, according to the Minister of Tourism, almost 2 years ago, Jamaica had appeared on some search engines more than any other country in the world. This was for people looking to go on holidays and probably referring to people living in North America. Hence, if the government is saying that Jamaica was having the most hits on online searches for people seeking to go on holidays, what does the government think the reason is why the level of online searches by potential visitors to Jamaica does not reflect the number of people booking flights to visit Jamaica? The searches may have taken place toward the end of the pandemic, when most European countries were still on lockdown. However, even among Caribbean countries, there were 6 countries that have recovered their 2019 visitor numbers in 2022. Jamaica was not among the Caribbean countries to recover our tourism numbers in 2022. The Colombia Republic, with its 7 international airports, did recover their visitor numbers in 2022. Though Jamaica were having more people searching for flights online than there were people searching online for the Dominican Republic. Maybe Jamaica need to learn a trick or two from the Dominican Republic in the way they have set out their airports to receive visitors in their country. Or why doesn't the level of online searches result in Jamaica being among the top 40 or even top 50 countries visited in the world? I think part of the problem is because once someone checked online and see the prices of the flights only tickets, most of them just switch to another country. The plane tickets are as low as half the price what the airlines are charging for flights to Jamaica. I know this is the case for flights from Europe to Jamaica, and maybe the case to some extent for flights from USA to Jamaica as well. There are some airlines in North America who have seen the opportunity to make some big money by flying passengers to Jamaica. However, they may need a new airport to fly to, where they will have a clean sheet of time schedule to choose from, instead of competing with the other established airlines for peak landing times at the busy Montego Bay airport. For example, I've heard some of the executives from Frontier Airlines saying that they want to be considered as a national airline of Jamaica. I think Frontier Airlines are even seeking permission to put the Jamaican Dr. Bird symbol on the tip of one or two of their aircraft's tailing for their planes that will be traveling to Jamaica. I've also seen the launch of a couple more Frontier Airlines flights per week from the USA to Jamaica back in February or March this year. At the above launch, the Minister of Tourism for Jamaica was boasting how this will be the 6 or 7 flights per week by Frontier Airlines from the USA to Jamaica, etc. One of the Frontier executives at the launch butted in and said, quote, "This will be double digit per week soon," unquote. One could tell that Frontier is very eager to get ahead of other airlines and get a good size of the expected increased visitor numbers to Jamaica. This is why I believe that the government should be more bold when they are building new airports around Jamaica. Not only should the government be building new airports around Jamaica, but the government should be offering franchises to the European hoteliers around Jamaica for most of the new all-inclusive hotel franchises. The government need to put a halt on the congested sections of the North Coast beaches. There are no needs to offer any new franchises for the foreseeable future on the congested areas, especially for beaches. The government now need to look at parishes like St. Elizabeth, Manchester, and Westmoreland, not just Negril, to see what kind of a product they can offer to the hoteliers to invest in these areas that is left out of the opportunities that tourism can offer. Since I've written to the government, I've heard the Minister of Tourism saying something like, quote, "Some people think that we can just build hotels anywhere, but it's not that easy. We need to make arrangements with the tour operators first," unquote. That statement doesn't sound right to me. Though I have great admiration for the Minister of Tourism, I think that he is missing a trick or two with that statement. Because getting visitors to an all-inclusive hotel anywhere in Jamaica is nothing to do with the government. What the government need to do is to build the airports, and the hoteliers will make the arrangements with the airlines themselves. Just start offering franchises around the country to these European investors, and the government will see how quickly these franchises will be taken up. It is the European hoteliers who are going to make the deals with the European or North American airlines owners, not the government. Even if the government did not build the airports in the rural areas, the only time that we will see European and North American visitors taking that 1.5 to 2 hours trips from the current airports to places like Treasure Beach, Alligator Pond, and Black River is if those journeys are organized by the all-inclusive hotels as part of the package holiday. Then the minibus or coaches will be printed with the hotel's name or a tourism product name, etc. Um, you know, this will give some sense of security to the visitors because they're traveling with the same hotel brand that they are going to be staying at. It's time that Jamaican governments stop playing around with an opportunity that can double the Jamaican economy. It is time that the government make use of the current opportunity and spread the returns evenly across all community. Some rural communities are more desperately in need of the opportunities offered by tourism than the already clogged up cities with other job opportunities available. It's time to break the 1% growth spell since independence and start growing the Jamaican economy by double digits per annum. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and leave your comments below. God bless you. God bless our Prime Minister and the Jamaican Parliament. And God bless Jamaica. Until my next video, peace.